This literature kit on Genesis Begins Again by Alicia D. Williams makes it easy to use in a time crunch, allowing more time for students to get started and become engaged. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Put events in order as they happen on Genesis's first day of school. Compare how Genesis and her mother look different. Write a note to your past self with some tips on getting through a hard time. Predict how Yvette and Belinda will treat Genesis now that she is in the talent show. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as brainstorming ways kids can stay safe while on the internet. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Create a timeline showcasing a brief history of Black musicians based on research conducted. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.